Today, I'm going to show you how to add a button on Monday.com. This is a powerful feature that lets you automate actions with a single click, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to go to your Monday.com board in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in and viewing the specific board where you want to add this button functionality. This is important because the button will be tied to that particular board and its items. Once you're on your board, look towards the far right of your column headers. You'll see a plus icon there. Click on that plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new columns and features to your board, and it's where we'll start setting up the button. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear along with various column types in that search bar. Type button. This will filter the options and show you the button column type specifically. It's a dedicated column designed to trigger automated actions, which is exactly what we need. Now from the search results, click on button. This will select the button column type and prepare it for setup. You'll notice that Monday.com starts to configure this new column for your board. Next, you'll see a blue button that says Setup. Click on that blue Setup button. This is where the real customization begins, as you'll be able to define what action your button will perform when clicked. The Setup interface will open, giving you control over the automation. In the Setup interface, click on Then Do This. This is where you choose the specific action you want the button to trigger. For example, you might select Delete Item if you want the button to remove items from your board with one click. Monday.com offers various actions here so you can customize it based on your workflow needs. Whether you want to move items, change statuses, send notifications, or perform other tasks, this is where you define it. After selecting your desired action, click Create Automation. This finalizes your button setup and makes it active on your board. The button column will now appear on your board, ready to use. You might need to wait a moment for the changes to save and for the board to refresh with your new button column. Finally, it's time to test your button to make sure it works as intended. Click the button on any item row. The action you configured should execute immediately. For instance, if you set it to delete items, that item should be removed from your board. This testing step ensures everything is working correctly and that your automation is properly configured. And that's it. You've successfully added a functional button to your Monday.com board that can automate tasks with a single click. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.